The taste that the dry bay leaf brings to the table is often questioned. Today, I want to show you what it tastes like and how to taste it. We demonstrated in detail last week what flavors to look for in a fresh bay leaf, and I read your comments. So what exactly happens during the drying process? Well, as moisture goes, so goes the volatile essential oils. The fresh, minty, eucalyptus-like cooling sensations are gone. The clove-like spicy note is mostly gone, but some still remains. The fresh, thyme and rosemary-like herbal notes are gone, but the earthy, woody, pine-like notes remains. You get the gist? And of course, the black tea-like tannic bitterness remains. And evaporation also leads to concentration. So we get more of this, and a lot more of this. These are the flavors to look for in a dry bay leaf. We can dislike them, but we can't dismiss them. So how do we taste them? We make a waterless mash. So why mash? Because we want a dish that is neutral enough, but big enough to stand up to the bold flavors of the dry leaf. And everyone knows the taste of potatoes. Everyone knows the taste of butter. So you subtract those flavors and you get the leaf. Waterless because most flavors remaining, to overly generalize, are water soluble. And I want to concentrate those flavors as much as possible, minimizing dilution. We're simply going to cook the whole thing using the natural moisture of the potatoes. To that, we simply add some butter. That is 10% of the weight of the potatoes. Potatoes on top. We'll cover this technique in detail in another video. Today we focus on the bay leaf. Lid on, and we bring this up with medium heat. I'm going to keep my hand here on the lid, keeping this at medium heat until the lid is starting to get too hot to touch. Once that happens, we give it a really good shake and we lower the heat to low. We keep this here for an hour, shaking it every 10-15 minutes. And we're using just one leaf for every 500 grams of potatoes. More than that, yes, it will actually be too overpowering. I'll see you then. After an hour, we're ready. We fish out the bay leaf, and now you simply mash it however you like, dispersing all those bay leaf and butter-infused liquid everywhere. Just like our fresh bay leaf video, I'm not presenting you with the best way to make mash. I'm looking for the easiest, yet palatable way to isolate the taste of bay leaves. I happen to like both recipes, but that's just my taste. And congratulations, you've unlocked the taste of dry bay leaves. Cook it and see if you like it.